tip-healer is a French-valved holding chamber manufactured in France in an ISO 13485 certified laboratory. tip-healer was designed especially to optimize lung deposition of corticosteroids alone or in combination in order to minimize potential side effects. tip-healer is 100% recyclable. The patented inspiratory valve called IsoBreath makes tip-healer able to modulate the inspiratory flow and even fits with infants' inspiratory flow. Its oral partition pediatric mask optimizes inhaled treatment efficiency by preventing nasal inhalation, which otherwise drastically limits the effectiveness of treatments. Before using it for the first time, please read the instructions of use supplied with the valve holding chamber and follow these instructions. Put the mask on the mouthpiece. Before each use, make sure tip-healer is in good condition. Also check that tip-healer is correctly assembled and does not contain any foreign matter. If damaged, replace it immediately with a new one. Shake the metered dose inhaler, then remove its cap. Insert the metered dose inhaler in the flexible connector at the back of the valve holding chamber. Thanks to its flexible material, tip-healer fits most metered dose inhalers. Gently put the oral mask on the child's mouth and place the nose above the partition to ensure proper sealing. At the end of an expiration, press on the metered dose inhaler to release a puff of drug. Keep the mask on the face and let the child breathe 5 to 6 times during inhalation. Check the correct inhalation of the drug through the expiratory valve movement. Repeat the treatment if necessary, according to your doctor's prescriptions. Metered dose inhaler releases an aerosol containing the drug particles into the valve holding chamber. Thanks to the characteristics of its materials, tip-healer will quickly fix large particles on its walls, preventing their impaction in the throat and the trachea. Tip-healer will thus contribute in a better selection of the finest particles, which will remain suspended in the valve holding chamber. These particles will then be inhaled into the deep lung. Thanks to its partition, the oral mask prevents the medicine to be trapped in the nose during inhalation. Small particles can thus deposit into the very small bronchioles, where their efficiency will be maximum. After use, remove the metered dose inhaler and replace the cap. Store tip-healer in a dry place away from dust. We advise you to wash tip-healer at least once a week following the cleaning instructions. Tip-healer is completely removable. Tip-healer exists with various models of masks and without mask to fit every patient needs. Your doctor prescribed the chamber adapted to your medical treatment. This valve holding chamber is part of your treatment. Make sure to use tip-healer as recommended by your healthcare professional. Tip-healer exists in its tip-healer hospital version autoclavable.